Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the earbuds and phone. Put the Wave 300 TWS in pairing mode by opening the case and holding the button until LEDs flash. This forces discoverable mode. On your phone, open the JBL Headphones app right away and accept requested permissions, because the app uses location and Bluetooth to find devices. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on in system settings. The app will prompt to scan and present the Wave 300 as an option. You now follow the app-driven pairing flow to create a stable connection. When the app lists Wave 300, tap the name and immediately accept the system pairing dialog. This links Bluetooth at the OS level. The app may ask to check for firmware. Approve updates because firmware fixes connectivity and adds features. While an update runs, keep the earbuds in the case and the phone nearby, since interrupting it can leave earbuds unresponsive. You finish by customizing settings and verifying functionality. Open the app's device page to set touch controls, and check battery levels. This confirms a full integration. If the earbuds don't connect, reset them. Hold the case button for about 10 seconds to factory reset, then repeat scanning. This clears old pairings. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app or clear its cache, because corrupted app data can block.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.